What's up, YouTube family? I have Threadbeast here. This is my referral boxes. This time I got two. One came about 2 weeks ago, and then the other one came a couple days ago. So I'm gonna kind of open this in an order, just to kind of show you guys what Threadbeast sends. I have a discount code in the video description below. You just have to click the link. When you click on the link, as soon as you open it up, so you wait until you're ready to buy, because as soon as you open the link up, it's going to bring you to a page where you enter information. It's going to give you a code, and it's going to give you another link. So use that other link and use the code for the discount. It's going to give you $50 towards your first purchase, and then you can start doing what I do and do videos, and hopefully people use your referral and you just get free stuff. So the first thing is some nice little socks. I love dress socks, even though COVID and working from home for the last 4 months. But these are some nice unsimply stitched California lovely socks. Then we've got their Threadbeast typical, tells you like the referral program, all that fun stuff. Then this is more my style, I think, maybe. You've got your lovely Levi's. So you got your Levi's here, nice shirt. They know my sizes. The next thing is some nice, ooh, I like these. So these are Modern Fit, and these are Mahu. Hopefully I pronounced that right. So Mahu and Sons. And there's some nice shorts to wear, especially with summer. It's amazing, perfect time, even though, you know, keeping you out. So that's everything that this came with. Supposedly each referral box comes with $50 worth of stuff. So shirt, shorts, and socks. So it's usually when you go to a store, it ends up being about that much. I like Threadbeast because it's convenient. You don't have to go to a store, and that's kind of like, you know, right now with COVID and everything like that, you don't have to. You can just have them stylist and pick out stuff for you. They have different levels of subscription that you can purchase from. I don't know if this is exactly my style. So you have the Threadbeast sticker, which was missing from the other box. So I love the stickers because I slap them all over my garage. But the first thing is a kind of members only, one size fits most. And this is I guess it's just called members only. It has like a tie, but check that out. It's one size fits most, but it's a kind of cool looking belt. It says polyester, of course made in China. Only one member. It just says, yeah, it just says only one member. So it's kind of cool belt. Then you've got a bright, bright Huff shirt. When I say bright, that is a bright shirt. Check this out. It is really bright. How well you can see that with the lighting, but it's a kind of long. No, it's not bad. So it's kind of cool shirt. I don't know if I'll wear it or not. I don't know if that's exactly my style. What do you think? And then these are penguin shorts. Just kind of got some shorts. So a shirt, shorts again, and a belt. And that is everything in that box. So these are just like the referral boxes, so they're not like the full normal boxes that you would get. So hopefully you like what I got. Normal boxes come with a lot more stuff, unless you get like, I think the essentials, because they have like different levels. So, but thank you for watching. Check out the video description. It has the discount code for the 50%, or what is it, $50 off, like, or 50 extra. I forget which it is. I think they add an extra $50 worth of stuff into your box, or it's $50 off. I don't remember. But thank you for watching. Hit that like and subscribe, and check out whatever video YouTube recommends. And thank you for watching. So that's number 13 and 14 referral boxes. Yes. Thank you. Thank you.